Well, I feel that the welcome in Cardiff today will be a lot warmer than what it was when we started 25 years ago. If you recall, we in the mining valleys, we were a little ostracised from the cities. And the only time that I think I went to Cardiff was to see a football match. Never went there as a worker or as a miner. Never took my family to Cardiff like I did from 1953 on.
I remember the 53 gala. It was outstanding.
The first one, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Outstanding. Speeches and the turnout of the mothers and children.
Yeah.
Oh, it was something. It was something new.
But actually, CM, the Gala have grown, you know, despite the fact that there's been retraction in the mining industry and our manpower is down a lot from what it was in 1953. The Gala itself seems to have got better and better, you know. And what I appreciate about it is the understanding that the people of Cardiff now seem to have for us that they didn't have before.